How to use. Adjust the angle of the screen. Insert the bracket rod into the instrument card slot. The handle bracket is aligned and inserted into the bracket rod. The direction of the opening is on this side. Connect the corresponding handle according to the ABCD designation. The handle connection port is aligned with the instrument connection hole. I insert it and rotate it to tighten it. Attach the ABCD handle to the instrument in turn. Press and hold the metal buckle on the power cord socket. Align and insert firmly to the end. Please make sure the socket connects tightly with the machine. Turn on the power switch. Tap the power on and off buttons on the front of the instrument. There is a red emergency switch on the front of the instrument. Press the emergency switch. The instrument was shut down urgently. Turn on the red emergency switch and restart the instrument. Select a language. Handle calibration. 3 frequencies. Sound switch. The sound of the keys. Select the gender and age of the participant. The experiencer lies flat on the bed in a relaxed state. Choose 1-2 flat handles according to the size of the experiencer. Attach the handle to the abdomen with a strap. When the time is up, remove the handle and untie the strap. Place the cabochon handle under the leg. The curved side is in contact with the hind legs. When the time is up, remove the handle and untie the strap. Place the cambered handle on the calf. The curved side is in contact with the calf. When the time is up, remove the handle and untie the strap. Place the cabochon handle under your arm. The curved side is in contact with the inside of the arm. When the time is up, remove the handle and untie the strap. Secure the flat handles on both sides of your hips with straps. When the time is up, remove the handle and untie the strap. Place the cambered handle on the quadriceps muscles of your thighs. This side with a curved curve is in contact with the skin. When the time is up, remove the handle and untie the strap. The participant climbs on the bed with their back up. Secure the cabochon handles on both sides of your shoulders with straps. Take care to avoid the heart. When the time is up, remove the handle and untie the strap. Depending on the treatment needs, both areas can be operated at the same time.